So for me, because of how the issue have occurred, we choose different things based on companies or individuals. There are persons that like to do their full backup at midnight, but there are some that wants to do the differential backup every 1 hour. The transaction backup can occur 30 minutes, 15 minutes, or 10 minutes, a case maybe. But because of this, it's very important we set this up effectively so that even if we are not there, this backup can still happen on its own. So that when this backup happens, then we can now do the backup restoring the database of the file. Well, looking at what I have here, so looking at what I have here, sorry, I'm not going to share my screen. So like I said, it's the choice of backup depends on companies. But for me, it is better that full backup should happen by midnight. For midnight, but the differential backup can happen every 5 hours or three hours, depending on how the company, the volume of data, that passes through and all that. Then it can happen every 15 minutes. Every 15 minutes. So if we understand that, yes, this backup was occurring, it helps us protect, the company and data to prevent what data loss. So after a backup has occurred now, we need to do what? To restore. If there's a particular information you thought might be missing, is to go back to you, select database, go to tag, and then select restore database. And then under it here, you now select the timeline. Look at here, it says what? Timeline. The timeline will now give us different, options. If you come here now, it looks at what? The time frame. The option for full backup, a color representing full backup, a color representing transactional backup, a color representing, the differential. So when we look at them, now notice each of them. But if I click here now, look at it, this point. But for me to click there, I will come and select what specific date and time. I click this point, and I click this point now. If I click this point now, I've selected it now. It means that whatever backup, you can see there's a date, there's a time frame attached to it. It means that whatever happens at that point are the things that will be restored. Are the things that will be restored. So that is basically how I can also take this point and adjust the time. Adjust the time frame. See now, it's been adjusted. I can adjust the time frame to suit my need. And then I select OK. I could script it and then allow it, to perform. So these are some of the examples on how we can carry out this backup. You can say it's what? Underneath here, it says what? Done. So it's important we know how to use this.